Hello, welcome to practice 9 from the book Spinal Intelligence. To begin, you are going to start with your feet a comfortable distance apart. You're just going to bounce. You're going to let the bounce go all the way up into your arms. You're just bouncing. You can step and bounce. And after you've spent some time bouncing, find center. You're going to, I like to imagine there's a fence. You're going to dive your head down under the fence and then all the way back. Dive under, all the way up. Make sure you're breathing. Imagine you're really reaching under the fence. So when you're reaching under. Then go ahead and find center. Hold on to a big ball. You're going to take your ball in a big circle. And your circle might be a little more on a diagonal, or your circle might be a little more one direction and a little more the other. But keep holding your ball. From here, find a wall. Mine's right here. You're going to take your palms and you're going to turn them so that your fingers point away from each other. I'm going to go this way. So I'm going to my left. I'm going to slide my right foot in a big circle behind my left foot. So I come into this back bendy position and then slide my hand back. Ideally, I would have a little more wall space so that my hands were landing in that same situation that they started in. So one more time, I'll go the other direction. I'm going to take my left foot. I'm going to make a big circle. This feels a little bit better than if you try to just step it behind. So if you make the big circle, you get a little more space. You can rotate and around. Come back to your starting position. Hold your big ball. Inhale. Let your arms expand away from the ball. Exhale. Let your arms come back to the ball. And then let your arms come down. Thank you so much for joining me for that practice. Again, these are just samples of the exercises so you can see what they are and kind of how I put them together. Feel free to pause this practice, do more repetitions, or do another round of it. Sometimes doing these types of movements 2 or 3 times. So if you do it one of the circuits and you do it 2 or 3 times in a row, you can notice some really nice changes in terms of how your spine is moving, how your arms are moving, and how you feel. If you found that useful, please feel free to check out the book, Spinal Intelligence, or like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.